Oh, hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. I was just watching another episode of Up-N-Runnin. The bloopers at the end are really funny. So on today's episode, we're going to continue to work on our 1976 Firebird Formula. We've got to get the oil changed, we got to get the brakes bled, and I'm sure a few other things as well. So thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, I pulled the drain plug. I forgot to turn the camera on for that, but not too exciting stuff. Pulled the drain plug out. Everything looked pretty good. The oil's a little dark, as would be expected for a car that sat for a decade, but I didn't see anything that didn't look good in it, so it was just dark. So we're going to go ahead and finish up with the oil change. The other thing we're going to do, as long as we have it up here, is bleed the brakes. It definitely needs that as well. Alright, this is the oil that came out of that car. Like I said, it's a little dark, but it doesn't look bad. I don't see any sparkling in it or anything like that. I was pulling the filter out of the box and I realized the filter that we got was wrong. So I've got another filter on order, so as soon as that gets here, we'll finish the job. Alright guys, I'm going to take a look under this car once. You can see how nice this rear cross member looks. These are normally rusted out, or a lot of times anyway. And this one's in really nice shape. The floors in this car look fantastic. They're in really good shape. There's no rust underneath this car. Apologize, it's a pinch dark under here. As you can see, these are all really nice. Alright, the filter came in. I normally put a little oil in them, just so the engine has to run for a shorter amount of time without oil in it. The other thing is, I always look at these things, make sure the gasket's in place and correct, and not partially falling out of the filter or anything like that. Also take a little bit of oil and run it around this gasket so you get a nice good seal on there, and it doesn't pull the gasket away from the engine when you're screwing it on.
Yeah, I can see it now. Yeah, you are right, it is.
I can't fill this one completely because I have to angle the filter a little bit as I'm putting it up to the engine. So we're at about half full. Put a little more in and I think we'll be good. So we're going to go ahead and install this. Ed and I are going to bleed the brakes in this car. We're going to start with the the right rear, then go to the left rear, then go to the right front, and then we're going to go to the left front.
Hold in. Down.
Close. Alright, that one felt like, I feel like we didn't get any air that time.
Alright.
So, just one second, I'm going to let Alright, go ahead and pump it up.
Hold it. Down.
Got a lot of air. Okay, it's closed.
Pump it.
Pump it.
Hold it. Down.
Closed, a lot of air.
Down.
A lot less air that time, but still
How do
air.
you feel we are in the reservoir?
Yeah, it was just...
Are you close?
This will be the rear reservoir?
I would think.
Yeah. It probably wouldn't hurt to check it.
Are you close?
They're closed. Are they getting better?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a lot of air.
How was it?
It's low. It's fine. But it was a good time. Okay, go ahead.
Alright. It's a nice hard pedal. Down.
Close. We'll do it again because I felt like I got a little bit of air yet.
Alright, you close?
Yeah.
Holding. Down.
One more time. Close.
Holding. Down.
Close. Alright. Alright, I forgot to turn the camera on, but basically we bled the front right and then the front left. We basically got no air out of it, so they're in pretty good shape. At this point, Ed feels like the pedal's really good. So we're going to let it down, put some oil in it, and start it back up again. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to top off the brake fluid and then fill it up with oil. Alright, brake fluid is topped off. Start the car up after changing the oils. I watch the oil pressure gauge to make sure it jumps up right away, and then I also take a peek underneath the car to be sure that no oil is running out. I've only had that happen once, but I was able to catch it before it caused any damage to the car. Alright, it reads a little bit high on the dipstick, but that's to be expected because the oil filter's not quite full yet. So we'll go ahead and fire it up and then check it again. Alright, we had 60 pounds of oil pressure and nothing was running out down below, so we are good. Alright, I'm going to check this, and I've given it a little bit of time to sit. It probably needs a little bit more, so it may show that we're just a pinch low. I don't know if you can see it, but we're just a tiny bit low, and I'm sure that'll drain down in the next 15 minutes or so. So we're in good shape. Alright, we just put some gas in it. We got 3/4 of a tank now. We put 93 octane in it to help boost the octane of the older gas that was in the tank, and we'll drive it around a little bit and see how it does. Alright, my daughter Lauren's going to take it around the block. In her words, she's looking a little ratchet today.
Just a little.
She loves driving all these things.
Oh yeah. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, everyone look out.
Little tribute to Tim Allen there.
Oh yeah. Hear this roar.
Ed's gonna take it out for a drive now. Thanks for watching this episode of Up-N-Runnin. Stay tuned next time when a buddy of ours stops by with his 57 Chevy Nomad wagon, and also we'll go through the 76 Firebird and we'll detail it and clean it up a little bit. So we look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Be sure to subscribe. Up-N-Runnin. Those bloopers at the end are funny. So today we're going to take a look at, it's about what I would expect to have to drain down yet, so we're good.